What up? It's Mike G with another video. Today I'm on my way to the Junkyard. I didn't have nothing else to do before work, so I might as well take a trip to the Junkyard. I haven't been to the Junkyard in a while. I'm gonna try to get a lighted mirror. I definitely need to get one of those. I'm gonna try to find some other stuff, but hopefully this place got old cars, Oldsmobiles. Hope I find a couple of Cutlasses, but I doubt it. But yeah, I'm on my way to Henry's in Blackstone, Mass. That's where I used to go, and I just want to take a little ride. Nothing else to do, but yeah, I'll cut you guys back on as soon as I get there. Just made it to the Junkyard. Let's go in here and see what they got. Just got in here. Now all I have to do is find out where the Oldsmobile's at. I know they used to be down there straight ahead, but I haven't been here in probably 10 years or more. But yeah, let me find these Oldsmobiles and I'll be right back. I think I found my lighted mirror. I'm gonna check that one out right there. They got this car over here for sale. Anybody want to buy it? I don't even, what is this, a LeSabre? Oh, that's a Caprice. It's LeSabres. I don't see any Oldsmobiles. The guy told me I'm probably not gonna find any Oldsmobiles back here. But I'm gonna look around. I see some Cadillacs over there. I'm pretty sure they got lighted mirrors in them. But let me look some more and see what I can find. Yeah, car's a mess right now, but this is what I got. I got me a lighted mirror. Take this one out with no light on it. I got me another siren for my alarm. Got shock sensor and a harness, because I think the shock sensor I have right now isn't working too good, so I'm gonna put a better one in there. I had to stop to get me some breakfast. Got me some tostones. Supposed to be a Cuban sandwich in here too. Cuban sandwich. Got it from this spot on Broad Street in Providence, Rhode Island. I usually come here to get meat pies for $1, but I wanted a Cuban sandwich. But I'm gonna eat my food, then head home. Maybe I'll put this. I didn't even know this metal piece was here, but maybe I could slide the wire through there all the way to there. Or maybe I'll just wait until I have the headliner done to put that the new mirror in. But yeah, I'm going to eat, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I finally made it back to the house. I'm gonna try to put this mirror in. Might as well. I still got some time left. First thing you want to do is get that. Well, if I already loosened it. It was an Allen wrench, a really small one. But take it off. Now I want to mess with this middle dome light thing. And I already started taking that apart too, so what you got to do is take these things off. You just slide them down. Alright, got that down. And the cap thing I already took off, but I already lost a screw too. There's a screw right there. Mine was black, but I dropped it in the back seat somewhere. I gotta find it. So these two red wires, the two wires right here, one of them's constant power, I think, and the other one is switch power, or the power that goes when you open the door. But I'm gonna have to figure out that wire. The plug that I got for the new lighted mirror, it has what, five wires. I see it has the white and orange, so I'm gonna hook those up. I think those are the ones that just work for the dome light. When you open the door, open and close it, it will come on and off. And I think the other three, what is it? They're brown, black, and green. I think that's for the switches on the bottom. Let me get the mirror. The switches on the bottom of the mirror, so you can turn it off, on and off when, I guess probably when the car is off or whatever, I don't know. But I only need the dome light really, but I would like to hook it up so I could press the buttons too, but I only need the dome light, and I'll probably just hook that up for right now. But first things first, I gotta make sure these lights work anyway. Even if they don't work, it's only gonna be there's two light bulbs in there. There's one there and one on the other side. So let me hook it up real quick and see if this thing even works. Yeah, I just noticed that in the plug there's only 3 prongs in there. There's only 3 in there, so I don't know why it has 5 wires. But I looked at the plug, the way it plugs in. It plugs in this way. And the only wires I see is the white, orange, and the black. So I'm pretty sure the black is the ground and the other ones are the power. So that's good. I don't have to worry about those other wires. But let me tap into these wires and make sure everything works. Okay, I just wrapped it in there. The orange to the orange side, the white to the white side. It's hanging here right now. I'm gonna try to open the door, see if it lights up. When they light up, close the door, they go off. Let's press the button, nothing. So I think that's what the ground's for. So I don't know if there's no ground wire in there, so I'm gonna have to ground it. Put the black wire somewhere. I don't know if these little pins up here, yeah, they are grounded. So these little pins that hold these things, they go to the middle of the roof. So I'm gonna strip the black. I'm gonna strip the black wire and wrap it around those pins, and let's see what happens. Okay, I wrapped it around the pin right there, and with the door closed, I pressed the button and it's working. So that's good. 3 wires and I'm done. Now all I have to do is run a wire from I'm gonna use the plug, but I'm gonna have I don't have enough to reach to these wires, so I have to add a little bit more wire to that, to this plug. So yeah, the mirror's gonna go there, and it's gonna go up through there all the way to there. But yeah, now at least I know the wiring now. It needs to be ground, and those wires, everything's right. So I'm gonna get some wire from the trunk and hook it all up. Okay, after checking it out, I figured I'd run it a different way. I took this side panel off right here that connects to the roof. I took that out, and the wires are in there, the wires that I'm looking for. Those are the same wires that go to the dome light. And I gotta pop this off and run the wire in there. But still I have to, because it doesn't reach, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more wire to it. But I do need to pop this metal thing off, this trim piece, because the wires need to run in there. So I'm gonna figure out how to pop that off without breaking it, without breaking the clips, because this is metal. I'm worried about the clips breaking. That's what I'm worried about. And I'll be right back. So I just finished squeezing the wire in there. I had to like pry it down and squeeze it in from here, but I got it all set. I grounded it right there, cleaned up the ground before I screwed it in, and tapped into the wire right there. Now what I have to do is put this trim piece back on. It goes in. It's the wrong side. Goes in like this. I'm just gonna have to tuck these wires in and put the screws in. Put the sun visor back on, and then I'll be right back. 10:40 p.m. the same night as I just installed that rear view mirror with the lights on it. Let's see how bright it is in the car. It's pretty bright in the parking lot of my job, but I'm gonna see how see how bright it is in the car with the new rear view mirror. It's bright. It's better than it was, way better than it was. But yeah, it works. I'm happy with how it came out. The only thing I have to do is change that rear view mount. Or maybe I don't want to break the window trying to get the old one off, so maybe I'll just epoxy the new one to the one that's on there already, so I don't break the windshield. Because when I took the, let me see if I can find it. I know it was in here. Here it is right here. This thing, you see the windshield broke when I took it off. But it's a good thing I did take this thing, because now I need it. So all I have to do is clean this glass off right here. Clean it up, and I'm gonna try to epoxy it to the old one so this thing will not be shaky like that, because that's no good. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you guys.